Welcome to the Introduction to Social Media Marketing, a step-by-step guide to generating profits from social media marketing. Why is social media marketing profitable? First, because you can reach a very large amount of people. YouTube has over 1 billion views per day. Facebook has over 400 million users. MySpace has over 200 million users, and Twitter over 100 million users. Social media marketing is about interaction. This is important because people want to buy from people, not from companies. Businesses and companies are therefore spending more and more each year to create a personal contact through social media marketing. Social media marketing is the fastest way to market a company, website, or product. What are the desired results? First, you're going to learn how to brand yourself and your business and products. You'll also see how to build a large fan base of potential clients, and how to build a quality list of contacts. Most importantly, how to drive large amounts of traffic to your website. There are, however, some pitfalls. Hard selling. Nobody likes the hard sell. Trying to sell too soon. Some people make the mistake of selling with their first contacts through social media marketing. And spamming. This is also another major problem with social media marketing. Linked to spamming is the use of automated software. While using automated software can be advantageous at times, it can also be seen to create large amounts of spam and to put people off having contact with you or your company or your business. So this introductory course covers the following topics: Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, MySpace, Digg, StumbleUpon, and finally a take action plan.